Now, this is a question regarding an initiative known as Global Peatland Initiative. Okay, so the question is like this. With reference to an initiative called Global Peatlands Initiative, consider the following statement. And first statement they have given us, UN Environment Program, that means UNEP, initiated the Global Peatland Initiative. So they are saying that UNEP initiated this Global Peatlands Initiative. And second statement, it aims to conserve and restore peatlands globally and sustainable management of the peatlands. The third statement, even though Ramsar Convention is the worldwide instrument for the sustainable use of wetlands, it doesn't have any relation with GPI. So these are the statements they have given with regards to Global Peatland Initiative. Now let's discuss some main points regarding Global Peatland Initiative or GPI. So actually this Global Peatland Initiative, it is initiated by United Nations Environment Program, okay, or UNEP. So to conserve and restore peatlands globally, United Nations Environment Program initiated the Global Peatland Initiative, and its membership includes forest and tropical peatland countries, multilateral organizations and non-governmental organizations that have committed to the protection, restoration and sustainable management of peatland. The Global Peatland Initiative is an effort by leading experts and institutions to save peatlands as the world's largest terrestrial organic carbon stock and to prevent it being emitted into the atmosphere. So these peatlands are the world's largest store of carbons on land. Okay, peatlands are the world's largest store of carbon on land. The largest store of carbon on earth is oceans. Okay, but on land it is peatland, because this peatlands is only comprising around 3% of land area, but it contains around twice as much as the carbon that will be stored in the entire biomass of forest. So that much carbon is stored in the peatlands. So this Global Peatland Initiative tries to prevent this carbon stored in the peatland being emitted into the atmosphere. So GPI is trying to prevent the emitting of stored carbon in the peatlands to atmosphere. So the partners to this initiative, they will work together with their respective areas of expertise to improve the conservation, restoration and sustainable management of peatlands. So Global Peatland Initiative is also dealing with the sustainable development or sustainable management. So they are working with the conservation, restoration and sustainable management of peatlands. So in this manner, this initiative will contribute to the several sustainable development goals like reducing greenhouse gas emissions, maintaining ecosystem services and securing lives and livelihoods through improved adaptive capacity. So the aim of this GPI is, by 2030, the initiative aims to scale up the conservation, restoration and sustainable management of peatlands in up to 25 key countries to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions and maintain the benefits which their ecosystems provide and thereby contribute to the several sustainable development goals. So this Ramsar Convention, we know that it is the main treaty which is dealing with the sustainable use of wetlands, and it is one of the main partner of this GPI. Okay, so the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands, which represents the commitment of 169 contracting parties, is very pleased to announce the launch of this initiative as a founding partner along with the United Nations Environment Program, United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization and Wetlands International and other institutions. Okay, so Ramsar Convention is one of the partner of this Global Peatland Initiative, and others being UNEP, United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, Wetland International. So the founding members of the Global Peatland Initiative are the governments of Indonesia, Peru and the Republic of Congo, and the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP, Ramsar Convention on Wetlands, Food and Agriculture Organization, Wetland International, European Space Agency, etc. So regarding this Ramsar Convention, as a worldwide instrument for the sustainable use of wetlands, the Ramsar Convention plays an important role in highlighting the climate regulation function of peatlands and in stimulating their conservation and restoration. So that's why Ramsar Convention is also a partner of this or a founding member of this Global Peatland Initiative. Now coming to the question again, with reference to an initiative called Global Peatland Initiative, shortly GPI, consider the following statements. First statement, United Nations Environment Program initiated the Global Peatlands Initiative. So that's a correct statement. Okay, UNEP initiated this program and it is also one of the founding members. right? So that's why first statement is correct. We eliminated B and D. Then second statement, it aims to conserve and restore peatlands globally and sustainable management of peatlands. So second statement is also correct because GPA is dealing with conservation, GPA is dealing with restoration, and GPA is dealing with sustainable management of peatlands, right? So that's why second statement is also correct. So we got the answer as A, 1 and 2. The third statement is wrong because third statement says that even though Ramsar Convention is the worldwide instrument for the sustainable use of wetlands, it doesn't have any relation with GPA. That's a wrong statement because Ramsar Convention is one of the founding member of GPA. So that's why third statement is wrong. So here the answer is first and second statements are correct.